Behind me, we've got the appropriately named Bush Pig. This thing doesn't look big here, but I'll wait to get over in front of it. You look how massive this thing is. It loves the dirt, it loves the outback roads. This thing is going up North Queensland. It is a mine spec truck, and I'll give you a quick run through on this beast. Look at the size of this thing now. It looks like it's come straight out of the Mad Max movie. Massive Tuff Australia Bullbar. This is some of the best protection for those outback drives. Ones that are worried a little bit about the kangaroo strikes. These things here, the massive sliders down the side, incorporated side steps as well. This thing lives up to its name, it is bloody tough. We've gone and installed a 15K front winch on this one, so the Carbon Off-Road Australia synthetic rope winch. It's got the wireless remote control, you can plug in if you need to. Simple, easy to use on that one. This thing's even got the grills that protect the headlights, the spotlights on this one, being the Ultravision LED lights. You wait till the end of this video to see how this thing sounds though. It's my favourite bit out of the whole build. We'll swing around to this side and get into the suspension. So, massive 3.25 inch Carli Pintop kit. This is the highest lift kit that we do offer in the Ram platform because it is proven to be the best performance ride for this platform, being the 2500, 3500 Ram. Any bigger, you're going to lose performance. Any lower, you're not going to fit massive 37-inch tyres like this one has. As for the tyres, we've got the 37, 12.5, 18 Yokohama Geolander. So these are the Geo 16 XAT tyres, but the Pintop lift kit, 37-inch tyres with the 18x9 POS 18 offset on these Method 305 NVs in the awesome bronze colour with the black lips. Just looks amazing. This thing is that big that it dwarfs these 37s. It doesn't make them look like 37s, that's for sure. Having the diff gears done from G&L, the 3.25-inch Carli Pintop kit, this thing's going to drive spectacular. We have gone and added all the optional upgrades to this one. High mount, low mount steering stabilisers. You got your radius arms under there with the weld-on limit straps. Torsion sway bar from Carli as well. We know how stiff the factory sway bars are on the Rams. So going for the torsion sway bar, a lot more comfy off-road, still allowing the vehicle to flex nicely when you are off-road, but on-road performance is great as well. We'll keep swinging around the back here. Fairly simple setup for now. A tray is coming. It's getting built by a company up north, but for now we've gone and installed the behind seat battery setup from Big Dog Builds. 100 amp DCS battery. It's got the load protect from Victron, allowing all of the outlets to be used for its most potential. If the voltage does drop low enough, this will switch off the fridge and other 12 volt outlets you're running in the back there and protect that battery. But your Redarc BCDC charger while you're driving. It's also got the red Anderson plug outlet as well for solar input. So while you're driving, got your DC-DC, whack a solar panel on the tray or on the roof rack or whatever's to come on this one, and it's going to allow for that battery to run a fridge and other 12 volt accessories full time. We've also installed twin GME, UHF and Celfi antennas on drop down brackets. So keeping it nice and simple for now because this build is changing down the track. We've installed that as well as the tub power in a pretty simple setup. It's got the GME fold down on one side. This one actually drops down a little bit lower, so both of them can fold down behind the window and still be nice and neat. And they're going to be quite simple to change out later on when this customer has the tray and I think it's a little tray and a little half canopy installed up north. The rear end on this one, you can see how high it is sitting. We've got a fair bit of air in the airbags, being the coil helper airbags from Airbag Man. You got your Carli 3.25 inch, does come with your sway bar end links as a standard in the back. It also comes with the rear track bar drop as well. So going for the Carli setup in the back here, we haven't had any dramas with the sway bar end links snapping off the mounts as some of the cheaper lift kits I've seen. But yeah, going with the best suspension is definitely worth its weight in gold. Getting the rear end set up on these Rams is going to keep you nice and safe on the road. We've got multiple different setups depending on the use case between the 2500 and 3500 platform. As promised, we'll pop the bonnet, we'll see what's under here. Another benefit for these massive bull bars is climbing up for your little service kit. But going for the G&L Performance Snorkel and Airbox combo, it does make servicing your truck a lot easier in here. But stick around guys, let's go for a drive and see what this thing sounds like.